Sam, what's a sheep say? Good boy. What's a cow say? Moo. Good. What's a dog say? What's he say? Woof. Woof. What's a car say? What's the matter? Is your seatbelt bothering you? You're all done? Can you say hello? Hello. Can you say hello? Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave to me? Say bye-bye. Can you tell me, what does a chicken say?
Meow.
Meow. A cat says meow. What does a chicken say? Oh, bark, 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 bark. That was good. What does a snake say? Oh, that was good. Sammy, can you say truck? Truck. Oh, that was good. Can you say Nana? You say Pop? Oh, that was good. Can you say Jaeger? Oh, can you say Grandma? That's Pop. Can you say Grandma? Oh, that was pretty good. Can you say Grandpa? What's that, TV? TV? Is it up?
Up.
Yeah, up. Can you say thank you? What? Can you say thank you? Duty.
Close enough, Mark.
Samuel, who says it, Daddy? Oh, Daddy.
They're probably swearing, Dad.
Oh, can you say I love you?
Love you.